If you don't have a will right now, however, you plan to create one on your own, be sure to list all of your assets, choose all of your beneficiaries, and make sure you select the right executor. The following are things you need not concern yourself about putting in the will. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you find our program informative, educational, or entertaining, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Wills are considered legal documents and must include certain requirements to be valid. One of those requirements is testamentary intent. That is legal language declaring the document is intended to be a will. For example, the language would read, "This is my last will and testament." A will allows you to choose things like money, jewelry, collections, and even real estate. It is also important to understand what you should not include in a will because these items will transfer via operation of law. Here are some major items that you should not include in a will. Life insurance policies. You need not include a life insurance policy in a will because life insurance policies have a designated beneficiary. That designated beneficiary will receive the benefits of that life insurance policy, absence of any foul play. Don't let anybody take a life insurance policy out on your life. Just kidding. You need not include any retirement plans in your will because assets of a retirement plan will be transferred to a named beneficiary, not the beneficiaries in your will. If you hold title to real property as community property with the right of survivorship or joint tenants with the right of survivorship, you need not put that real estate in your will because that property will automatically transfer to the surviving spouse or the surviving joint tenant. And if there is no living trust, when the surviving joint tenant or spouse passes away, that property will have to be probated. Question of the day: do you have a will, a living trust, or neither? Let us know in the comments below. The point of this video is to make you aware of assets and benefits that will transfer by operation of law, not by instructions of a will. If you've gotten value from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need a probate or an estate planning attorney here in Southern California, feel free to contact me for a referral.